Okay, this is another special case. Alright, so again we're going to pick one of the equations, which I'm going to pick this guy right here, and I'm going to solve for this. Alright, so I'm going to move over my 2y. So we have minus x. This becomes a zero pair, and this is supposed to be a negative. It didn't come out very good. Alright, so then I'm going to say 3 minus 2y. Now I cannot have a negative variable, so I'm going to change everything. We're really just multiplying everything by -1, both sides by -1, or dividing actually by -1. So that really is what we're really doing. And so it ends up being it just changes the signs to their opposite. That's what really happens. Okay? And so now that I have this, x equals a -3 plus 2y. Now I'm going to take the equation 2x minus 4y equals 3, and I'm going to plug in my x value right where the x is. So I'm going to say, instead of x, we're going to say -3 plus 2y, and then I'm going to say minus 4y equals 3. And now I'm going to distribute. That gives me a -6 plus 4y minus 4y equals 3. And like we said in the other video, if you notice right here, I'll put a little cloud around it. If you notice, that becomes 0, and then so -6 equals 3. And does -6 equal 3? No. So because of that, we know that there's no solution. We can call this an empty set. Parallel lines. So I have two lines. They don't touch. So because they don't touch, there's no solution. And this is the other special case.